kami ngayon sa may IKEA. Bibili kami ng memory card. Bibili kami ng extra 2. Dalawang 32 gig.
Nagmo-modeling ka ba?
They have drone here.
Hey guys.
But look at the price. Pwede na tayo 290.
Ayoko niyan. Pangit yan. $1,600.
We're back! Bili lang kami ng memory card.
From 32 to 60. Tapos naka-price match kami.
Mga kuripot lang. Parang,
Kung
malaking lakas.
gumulong kayo guys, alam na. And now we're heading to
Oh, tourist mall guys.
Finally, na-realize namin na mas matipid pala mag-gumamit ng dishwasher. So, bibili na kami ng maraming pinggan, baso, cutlery, sa dishwasher.
Mag-nahiya.
Hindi ka pa nag-toilet doon. Can you see me, guys? Okay daw mamili dito sa IKEA kasi cheaper. Eh, since marami naman ang bibili namin, parang kural din daw yung mga plates dito. So, ayun na si Taba. Hello, Taba! Ayun na. Nunyo! Oh, yun. Iwi! Bomb!
Shortcut tayo guys. Saan ba yung IKEA sa Pilipinas? Meron ba?
Oh, I think we need to get a card. What else do we need?
Parang nagmo-model siya. That's what we need.
Sorry.
Pinggan guys. Pinggan.
Sabi nila 80 cents. Nasa
Maganda yung black plate shot. Gahanap kami ng mura guys. I think further down.
ang mata ko ngayon 88.8.
Baka paper plate lang. May narinig ng mura. Ayan, that's it. 69 cents. Banat. Hoy, everything? Hakutin niya lahat guys. Sarap.
Isang meal lang naman tayo usually per day. Piling ko 20.
This is really nice. 69 cents. Ayos lang, mura lang. Takot. Kuha ka na 20.
Ilang barang na yun. Sige guys, kasi wala kami balak magpunta sa plato. Kakain
Ito pa.
namin.
Ito. We need these.
5 of those and 10 piece.
69 cents each.
$15. Na lang. Mahal eh. Ano, gusto mo? Oh, sige, binigyan tayo isa.
Sige, babe. Parang karinderya. This one's nice. It's $10. Sick.
Madali siya hawakan.
Bet. Iris pa nun, nakabagsak. Piching!
I want this. I want a bread tray.
Ganda ah.
Ay, walang dugasan.
Cutleries, cutlery. Mag-eba man yata ang hugis na ito. Ah, yeah. Ito yun. At, dito. Ito.
Cute nito eh. Tawa ako sa plates guys. Sobrang mura. Biruin mo 69 cents. My goodness. You. Ha? What else do we need? Taba. Uy, carpet.
Ito.
Gusto ko ng I don't wanna spend 79 bucks for this.
Ito baka. $349. Cowhide.
My
Carpet. A whole new world. A new fantastic
Uy,
world.
speaking of that, manonood pala kami ng Aladdin sa Friday. Oo, nagre-reklamo.
This is what we have at home. And then, wala tayong ganito.
Gusto mo ba ng ganito?
It's a drill.
Ito gusto mo ba ng natas certified?
$40. Sige, wag na lang. What's this one? Para saan to? Pretty woman standing down the street.
Siguro isa lang
Pretty
pala kailangan natin
woman.
ito. Ikaw nakagano.
Damot.
Ano ang sinasabi mo?
Secret.
Airport siya, best.
Pet.
Sa kami. Just remove my bag.
It's been paid for. Ano?
Thank you. Bakit nga tayo nandito? Sobrahan tayo nung baba. P2P. Dalawa na kami. Hay, nako. Oo, naglalaro to. Oh, secure natin ang... Uy! Mababasag! Okay, guys. Niloload na namin siya sa car. Hello guys! So, first things first, OOTD lang for today. This one top from Zara. So, I already wore it. This one's from Zara as well. Shoes from Joe Mercer.
Ganyan.
Michael Kors. I bought this one in Malaysia. My everyday watch from Tissot. This is given by my dad. Yeah, that's it for my OOTD for today.
It was a long day. Church in the morning, birthday party during lunch, IKEA, and now we're home. Paplancha pa ako. But enjoy your day and thank you for watching. And please like and
Subscribe to our channel, guys. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. God bless everyone.